Welcome to this explainer. Today we're unpacking a genuinely fascinating parallel. We are going to look at the direct relationship between deploying automated software pipelines and the creative process of producing highly structured educational content, specifically by breaking down the source material for TestCraft's Episode 26 script. It's a really cool look at how the ruthlessly efficient logic of code deployment perfectly maps onto content production. So let's just dive right in.
Here is our roadmap for today. We'll be hitting the CI/CD pipeline revealed, DevOps tools and technologies, fast feedback and quality gates, the 15-minute episode structure, and finally, the content production pipeline.
All right, starting with Section 1, the CI/CD pipeline revealed, automating the code.
We've got to begin with the absolute core definition here, CI/CD. That stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment. Think about how software used to be built. Teams would hold on to code for months and then execute these massive, nail-biting, highly risky releases. Well, CI/CD flips that entirely on its head. It is the practice of constantly integrating small code changes and deploying them completely automatically.
And this relentless automation is driven by three essential steps: build, test, and deploy. The really powerful thing here is that this sequence triggers automatically the exact second a developer commits their code. There's no sitting around waiting for a manager's stamp of approval to start compiling, which, let's be honest, developers absolutely love. It creates this rapid momentum, and most importantly, gives you incredibly fast feedback on whether that new code actually works in the real world. Moving right along to Section 2, DevOps tools and technologies, the engines of automation. What's really interesting here is that we aren't just talking about abstract buzzwords. These are the actual engines doing the heavy lifting. Platforms like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, and GitLab. When that code commit happens, it's one of these tools that catches the signal, spins up the servers, runs the code, and just keeps the entire pipeline humming along seamlessly, completely without human intervention. Section 3. Fast feedback and quality gates. Why tests matter.
So, the crucial point, the absolute non-negotiable rule of any effective quality gate is this exact phrase right from our source material. Tests must pass. I mean, it sounds incredibly simple, right? But it's literally the bedrock of CI/CD. If even a single automated test fails, boom, the pipeline halts immediately. The code absolutely cannot move forward. And that is exactly what ensures only high-quality, fully functional code ever makes it to the user.
Zooming out a bit now, let's hit Section 4, the 15-minute episode structure, building the script.
Just like a super reliable software deployment, a solid educational script needs a strict, predictable timeline. Check out the architecture here. It utilizes a lightning-fast 30-second hook to grab your attention, followed by a robust 13.5 minutes of solid main content, and then finishes up with a precise 1-minute wrap-up for a recap and call to action. There's zero wasted space. Every single second is accounted for. And this brilliantly illustrates how that giant 13.5-minute main content block is mathematically broken down. It's sliced into precise, digestible thematic chunks. Defining the topic gets 2 to 3 minutes, core concepts get 2 to 3 minutes, then practical applications, real examples, best practices, and tools. Each one gets its own tight little window. This structural discipline is exactly like modular programming. It's specifically designed to keep you engaged and deliver maximum value without ever causing cognitive fatigue. Finally, we arrive at Section 5, the content production pipeline, from concept to screen. Notice how these initial creative steps perfectly mirror that build phase of software development we were just talking about. We're not writing code, obviously, but we are systematically assembling raw materials. Step 1 is writing the conversational script from the outline. Step 2 is bringing in a graphics designer for infographics and B-roll. Step 3 is recording the talking head. And Step 4 is weaving in those animations and text overlays. It is a highly sequential build process. Then we hit what we can basically call the media quality gates and deployment tasks. Step 1 is professional editing and color grading to make sure everything looks perfect. Step 2 adds captions for accessibility, which is a crucial test that absolutely must pass for modern content today. Step 3 creates a compelling thumbnail. And finally, Step 4, SEO optimizes the title and description, effectively preparing the final product to be successfully deployed out to the public algorithm.
To ground this whole process in reality, let's look at the actual time investment. 2.5 hours. That is the average time required just for full script expansion alone. We're talking 2 to 3 hours of deep, focused work turning an outline into those 2,300 words. It really goes to show that high-quality education, exactly like high-quality code, requires a massive upfront investment of time and brainpower.
Next up is the performance phase. The pipeline requires an allocation of roughly 1.5 hours on average, or between 1 and 2 hours total, solely dedicated to recording and filming the talking head. This is what ensures the delivery is actually engaging and that the audio-visual capture is totally flawless.
And finally, another critical chunk of 2 to 3 hours is dedicated entirely to the video editor for the post-production pipeline. This is where all those raw materials, the script, the graphics, the raw footage, are painstakingly integrated, color-graded, and finalized for viewing.
But hey, even once the final product is deployed, the work still isn't over. Just like a big software launch has a marketing push, content needs an aggressive promotional rollout. The pipeline continues by extracting 3 to 5 social soundbites, designing a LinkedIn carousel, filming a quick Instagram reel, and drafting a tweet thread. Pushing that core content across multiple distinct formats is what ensures maximum reach and a solid return on all that upfront investment.
As we wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with a question to chew on. How can you optimize your own processes? Whether you are literally out there shipping software code or crafting educational content, building a reliable, repeatable pipeline is the ultimate key to consistent success. Think about it. Where are your biggest bottlenecks right now? And how could a strict CI/CD pipeline approach completely solve them tomorrow?